Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The coronavirus pandemic continues to accelerate in the United States and in the world, and many young people and children continue to attend school only online. J.C. Montenegro, delegate for Mission Animation of the West United States Province SUO, created a survey to demonstrate how volunteering helps young people in these difficult times. Every year, from 1st September to 4th October, Christians mark what has come to be known as the Season of Creation, SOC. This is the time that is set aside for all people of goodwill to reflect on their relationship with the created things in our common home. The theme for this year is Jubilee for the Earth, and it coincides with the quinquennium celebration of Laudato Si and the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Here we share a reflection by Brother John Juhuna, Don Bosco Tech Africa Deputy Director. Don Bosco Mission Bonn has released its annual report with a balance sheet and information about supported Don Bosco projects. From August 2019 until August 2020, the mission office passed on €7.6 million in 64 countries for SDB and FMA projects abroad. Don Bosco Mission receives €1 million specifically for COVID-19 projects. The Projects Office of the Salesian of Bolivia, OFPROBOL, is managing and executing, with the support of various institutions, the project for the production of 20,000 masks. The masks, with 3 self-filtering layers produced with thermofusion technology, are designed for prolonged exposure and are washable up to 10 times. They are intended for the most vulnerable population of the country and for professionals involved in the front line in the fight against COVID-19. The design and production of the mask is as per medical indications. The Faculty of Design and Fashion Management, UPSA, designed the masks, while production is carried out at the Mama Margarita Technical School. The project is funded by the Catholic organization Chalice Canada, which has been a strategic partner of OFPROBOL since 2019. The first donation of masks were distributed to the social works of the Salesian in the departments of Santa Cruz and Cochabamba, and subsequently to the most vulnerable population of Yapacani and in the health centers in rural areas. A group of about 60 high school children, together with the Salesians of the Proposta community and the Astori Institute of Mogliano Veneto, belonging to the Salesian province of Northeast, INE, not only animated children in their summer activities, but also lent their support to less fortunate people, especially those affected by the pandemic. In compliance with anti-COVID-19 measures, they organized various working groups carrying out the proposals of the summer centers with the Open for Holidays project. Another group carried out AIDS action for the community of Mogliano Veneto and beyond in an experience called La Santa Impresa. In particular, food was collected for the population of South America with the Mato Grosso operation. Various public places were recognized and small tasks set out for private individuals. The efforts were rewarded with offers that were donated to the mayor of Mogliano Veneto to distribute to the poor. The second meeting of the Provincial Councils of the Association of Mary Help of Christians, ADMA, of Brazil was held on 29th August. The meeting took place on Google Meet platform, coordinated by Father Sergio Lucio, SDB, National Delegate of ADMA. Present were the councils of the 6 Salesian provinces of Brazil, delegates, and Father Ricardo Carlos, Provincial of Campo Grande, and CIS-BRA-SIL representative for the Salesian family. Father Alejandro Guevara, SDB, new delegate of the Rector Major for ADMA, also spoke at the meeting, and the person in charge for the formative moment, Father Marco Bayagi, former provincial of Mozambique, shared his testimony of the Marian experience of ADMA in Africa. A moment of sharing the 6 councils followed, discussions, the discussing the challenges of animating the Salesian communities during the pandemic. The third meeting of the ADMA Council was then set for August 2021 and the ADMA National Congress for 2022, with a venue yet to be defined. On September 1st, during the Eucharistic celebration in the Church of St. John Bosco in Žilina, the installation of the new provincial of the Mary Health of Christian province of Bratislava, Slovakia, SLK, Father Peter Timko, took place. Respecting the anti-COVID-19 measures, over 100 Salesians participated, as did various representatives of the Salesian family, including FMA Provincial, Sister Monica Skalova, and the new provincial's parents. Also present in the name of Rector Major was the Councillor for the Central and Northern European region, Father Roman Jakimowicz. The live streaming of the celebration was followed not only by vast Salesian family in Slovakia, but also by the Salesians of missions in Siberia and Azerbaijan. The Salesian Youth Voluntary Mission Service for the World in Wrocław launched a Unity versus COVID-19 campaign with the aim of responding to the recent requests of the Salesian missionaries of Gambia, Liberia, Ethiopia, Cameroon, South Sudan, Mongolia, and India. As part of this campaign, the volunteers photographed several African women portrayed as they carried vegetables, water, firewood, fruit, and much more on their heads. This mode of transport is not a choice, but a necessity, dictated by the environmental and the topographical conditions. By wearing or carrying items on their head, the women free their hands for the trip. Pope Francis wished to thank the champions of various disciplines who participated in the We Run Together auction, organized to help the Italian hospitals of Bergamo and Brescia committed against COVID-19. In greeting you, said the Holy Father, I greet all your colleagues in Italy and throughout the world who work with sacrifice alongside the sick. God reward you for your efforts. Volunteers raised clothes for needy families. Delivery was made by volunteers of the Oratory Don Bosco di Aracatuba, SP, who followed the health and hygiene guidelines because of the pandemic of the new coronavirus. Salesian Institute of Philosophy celebrated Teachers' Day with the theme, Lead Us to Truth. The celebration began with a moment of prayer led by Cleric Santosh Kene Murailil, during which he thanked and praised God for the gift of teachers who lead lives of commitment and self-sacrifice. The scholastics facilitated their professors with a well-performed program that included a band piece, 7-Nation Army, a group song, a one-act play, and a mime underlining the importance of searching for the hidden treasure in one's life, that is, the truth. Dear viewers, we will end today's news with a video summary of the second edition of the Geo Beach Party, the event promoted by Salesian Youth Ministry of Sicily, Salesian Province, which saw the participation of various animators of the Salesian House. The event was designed to give all the animators of Salesian Sicily the opportunity to gather to celebrate together and reflect on the theme of the year as given by Rector Major.
Questa quarantena che ammirare la luce del sole, la bellezza di luna e stelle ti riempiono il cuore. Ho imparato in questa quarantena che i sogni sono veri sogni se ti portano a un bene più grande.
Ho imparato in questa quarantena che anche se il tempo si ferma intorno a te, per te il tempo continua a girare. Vorrei solo andarmene a mare,
ma poi ti metti a riflettere se il più grande desiderio del tuo cuore è ciò di cui tu hai bisogno davvero, oppure no. Sì o no. Noi siamo liberi, anche se terribilmente fragili. La solitudine mi ha spiegato che
tua presenza è anche meglio del caffè. Questo tempo ha svelato le mie carte e mi accorgo che tu sei l'acqua su Marte.
Nel cuore del...
Dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for watching.